Hello students, the topic of the speech is Independence Day. Good morning to our respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Umar, a student of class 4. Today, I feel happy to share my thoughts on India's 80th Independence Day. It has been 79 years since our country became free on 15th August 1947. We are thankful to the brave freedom fighters who dreamed of a free India and made great sacrifices for our future. Every time our Tiranga flies high, it reminds us that our country becomes stronger when its people are honest, helpful and united. As students, we may be young, but we can still make a difference by learning well, caring for nature, respecting everyone and doing good every day. Let us always be proud of our country and work together to make India a better place. Happy 80th Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe.